Still wasting hours writing content manually? Trying to make AI work for you but end up crying into your coffee instead? Well, what if I told you that for the price of 2 samosas and a chai, you could own the most complete ChatGPT course on the planet and sell it as your own? Hey, what's up? Kamal here, affiliate marketing nerd and SEO junkie with 6+ years of turning online tools into passive profit machines. In today's video, I'm diving into GPT Factory, a brand new, done-for-you AI course bundle that doesn't just teach you ChatGPT, it gives you the rights to sell it like it's yours and keep 100% of the profits. Yes, full PLR, no strings, no tech headaches. And yep, I got my hands dirty with it. So I'll show you what's inside, who it's for, and whether this shiny AI box is worth your precious money. Oh, and because I love stacking value like biryani layers, I've added my exclusive GPT power bonuses when you grab GPT Factory using the link below. These bonuses will help you sell faster, look more pro, and make your first sale on autopilot. So, what the heck is GPT Factory? Think of it as the ultimate ChatGPT masterclass meets business in a box. It's a full-blown video course that teaches everything from writing viral YouTube scripts to creating ebooks, coding, AI art, and even grandma-level recipes. But here's the game changer. It comes with full PLR rights. That means you can rebrand it, sell it as your own. Keep 100% of every sale. Perfect for content creators, affiliate marketers, coaches, and even total beginners who just want to skip the tech drama and launch a product fast. Setting it up is easier than burning toast. Download the bundle. You'll get the full course, graphics, sales pages, videos, emails, the whole shebang. Slap your name and logo on it. No design degree needed. Upload and start selling. That's it. You can literally be in business before lunch. It's like owning your own AI university without needing to host NASA on your laptop. Space satellite. Here's what makes this a beast. Create anything with ChatGPT in seconds. Blog posts, emails, videos, art, even music. Sell everything. You own the PLR rights. Automate your work, save time, and scale your income. Build your list, add bonuses, upsell, cross-sell. It's super flexible. Comes with DFY sales pages, graphics, lead magnets, promo videos, autoresponder emails. It's all done for you. If you've ever wanted to skip straight to the money part, this is it. Now, here's the part that had me doing a double take. You're getting this entire business in a box for just $11.95 one time. That's it. Compare that to Kajabi, Teachable, or even Jasper AI. You're easily dropping $49 to $199 a month. GPT Factory? One-time payment. No monthly guilt. Zero subscription remorse. Okay, let's go over and play a quick demo video explaining this a little bit more.
In today's high-tech world, AI is everywhere. Cars are driving themselves. Blogs are being written by bots. Videos are made with a click. Even entire businesses are running on autopilot. No humans required. Sorry, Bob from accounting. AI can automate all the boring, time-consuming tasks in your business. Data entry, customer service, video editing, email marketing, social media management, you name it. With just one command, AI can do what used to take hours or even days of work. And in the middle of all this AI madness, enter the superstar, ChatGPT. This tool is so cool, even your grandma might ask it to write her knitting blog. Kids are using it for homework, entrepreneurs are using it to build enterprises. And some folks, they're asking it to use ChatGPT what to eat for lunch. Guilty. Why? Because it's magic. Just type in what you want and it can create anything. Sales emails, blog posts that actually sound good, YouTube video scripts, killer copywriting, ebooks, graphics, podcast scripts, even life advice. Yes, really. All of that in under 30 seconds with just one click. It's like Aladdin's lamp, but instead of a genie, you get a robot with unlimited brain power. But there's one little problem. Most people don't know how to use ChatGPT the right way. They use ChatGPT like it's a calculator when really it's a Ferrari. So instead of awesome content, your results might come out boring content, awkward writing, missed opportunities. Ugh. But fear not, we've got the fix. Introducing GPT Factory, the most complete ChatGPT course on earth. We're talking step-by-step training from A to Z. Whether you're a total newbie or already using ChatGPT on the daily, this course will take your skills to the next galaxy. You'll discover how to use ChatGPT for everything. Emails that sell, ebooks that impress, video scripts that hook, ideas, graphics, blogs, even life advice if you need it. But wait, there's more. This isn't just any course. It comes with a PLR license, which means you can edit it, rebrand it, sell it as your own, and keep 100% of the profits. That's right, you learn and earn. And to make life even easier, we've included all the done-for-you marketing materials you need to start selling like a pro. Ready to go sales page and download page, studio quality sales video, lead magnet and high-quality converting squeeze page, professionally written sales and thank you copy, beautiful graphic set, 4 high-converting email autoresponders. And the best part? You don't have to create anything. It's all done for you. Just plug it in, hit go, and boom, you're in business. This is ridiculously affordable. Honestly, you've probably spent more last week on snacks, apps, or something you don't even remember. Let's be honest, there are 1,000 things you could spend this small amount of money on. A few snacks, another streaming subscription, maybe a phone charger you don't really need. But how many of those things actually give you money back? This one does. GPT Factory isn't just a product, it's a launchpad, a business in a box, a moneymaker you can activate in minutes. With just 1 or 2 sales, you could already be making your money back. And the rest? Pure profit, baby. Let's do the math real quick. Imagine selling 10 copies at $25 each. That's $250. Nice dinner, maybe pay off a bill. Sell 100 copies, that's $2,500. Hello, rent, bills, or a weekend getaway? Sell 1,000 copies, that's $25,000. And now we're talking real life changes. We're talking dream car, vacation to Bali, or saying goodbye to that annoying boss. People want to master ChatGPT, and you'll be giving them the key on a silver platter. This is more than just a course. It's a digital asset that can generate income over and over again while you sleep, stream Netflix, or scroll aimlessly on your phone. With GPT Factory, you're getting a power-packed ChatGPT mastery course, bundled with PLR rights and plug-and-play marketing assets. To make this even more irresistible, we've added exclusive bonuses only available here right now. But fair warning, this offer is time sensitive. If you leave this page, the price might go up, and the bonuses, poof, gone. Right now, you can lock in lifetime access to the most complete ChatGPT course on earth, with PLR rights included. Oh, and there's absolutely no risk. If this isn't exactly what you hoped for, you've got 30 days to request a refund. No hassle, no weird questions, no stress. This is your moment to grab something truly valuable. Something that builds you an income, a brand, and freedom. Get your hands on a product that teaches AI, makes you money, and basically sells itself. Hit that button below. Lock in your GPT Factory and PLR rights now. Don't wait. Get started today. Start today. Build your AI-powered empire. Profit tomorrow.
If you want to go all in, here's what the upgrades, OTOs, unlock. OTO 1, $32. Unlocks a masterclass plus 100,000 ready-to-use prompts. Seriously, You'll never run out of ideas again. Perfect if you want to generate content faster and better than ChatGPT default mode. OTO2, $67. Monster Bundle plus Profit Lab plus $1,000 per day system. For those who want to scale their income using proven frameworks. Great for affiliate marketers and coaches. OTO3, $97. Crazy Complete Edition. Every tool and course they've got bundled in. This is like ordering the full menu at your favorite restaurant. OTO4, $97. Everything inside. Literally all their content in one place. If you hate FOMO, grab this. OTO5, $147. Business Booster Kit. Templates, advanced tools, automation training to help you scale like a boss. Perfect if you're serious about building a full-time digital business. OTO6, $97. Giant PLR Vault. Extra PLR products to use as lead magnets, bonuses, or sell directly. You don't need every upgrade, but if I had to pick two, I'd go with OTO1 plus OTO2. I personally tested this, and I've got to say, this is one of the easiest PLR setups I've used. Within 24 hours, I customized it, uploaded it, and made my first test sale. And because everything's done for you, it saved me days of design and copy headaches. This is the kind of tool I wish I had when I started 6 years ago. Would have saved me a truckload of time and money. Now, real talk. If you're expecting GPT Factory to write your PhD thesis or magically deposit $10,000 into your bank account without any effort, this ain't it. It's a tool, not a genie. You'll still need to put in some work. Uploading, tweaking, and sharing your sales pages. But it makes that process stupidly easy. So, picture this. You launching your first product online, keeping 100% of the profits, building a buyer's list, and scaling without spending months building from scratch. GPT Factory gives you that shortcut at a one-time price that's borderline robbery. Legal robbery, of course. But the price won't stay this low forever. Click the link in the description, grab my bonus bundle, and start your AI-powered profit engine today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more real reviews, no fluff here, and drop a comment if you have questions. I reply to all of them. This is Kamal, signing off. Time to let AI do the heavy lifting while you sip on your success. See you in the next one.